As a kid, my favorite movie was The Sound of Music. I might have seen it 100 times, and that's not even exaggerated. One of my favorite songs from the movie was Edelweiss. The song is named after a small white flower that grows high up in the Austrian mountains and is a symbol for peace and love. Isn't that romantic? Hey, it's Julia from Violin Inspiration, and today we will learn Edelweiss. The song is simple and beautiful, and I think you will love to learn it on the violin. But wait, are you watching this without your violin? If your violin is not out yet, tune your violin right now and get it ready. And please post the violin emoji in the comments if you're ready. I will give a heart to everyone who is actually practicing with me. Great, you got your violin. By the end of this tutorial, the goal is simple. You will be able to play this piece beautifully with a piano backing track on your own. First of all, you should know that there's two versions of this piece, a beginner version and an intermediate version on my channel. This is the beginner version, so if this one feels a little bit easy, try out the intermediate version on my channel. It's linked below this video. Next to that, to help you sound your best, I've added two free downloads under this video. First of all, a PDF of the scale of this piece that matches the scale that this song is written in. It helps you warm up and play this piece more in tune. Second, there's the download of the backing track. You can also find that below this video. Without further ado, let's get started practicing. You did it! Great job practicing with me. If you were able to play with the play-alongs, please post a thumbs up emoji in the comments. I'd love to know if you made it all the way until the end. If you love the beautiful and meaningful melody of Edelweiss, I think you will also really like to play Amazing Grace on the violin. It's another really soft and beautiful song. I will link the tutorial below. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please leave me a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to practice with me again next week when I upload my next video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notifications so you'll get notified if I upload my next video. Happy practicing!